used to be 320 pounds. I got the fat shaming license in my hand because I was 320 pounds and I've lost 160 pounds. And I'm going to tell you the diets that do not work.
And also why we stopped dieting and started to really lose the weight naturally. That means no injections, no pills. That means all naturally.
No loose skin.
People are calling it the hard way these days. I disagree. I think it's a lot harder to live with the panic and anxiety that as soon as you go off this expensive, dangerous medication, you're going to gain the weight back. I think that's stressful. But here we're going to tell you all of our secrets.
We noticed that 79.2% of you are not subscribed. So if you're not subscribed, what are you doing? Come subscribe. We give you 5 days a week of free weight loss advice. And I mean, come on. It's a pretty cool vibe over here. So I'd love it if you'd come join. We really appreciate all of your support. So please don't forget to subscribe.
The diets we've tried: keto, paleo, Nutrafol. Is it called Nutrisystem?
I think it was Nutrisystem, Jenny Craig, Weight Watchers, the
Whole
keto,
30, paleo, calorie counting, macro counting.
You did HCG, which I guess is an injection.
It's an injection, green tea pills, mushroom pills,
The soup diet, the vegan diet, the
raw
vegetarian
vegan
diet.
sprout diet.
Oh yeah. I mean, seriously, guys, are you getting the gist
The
here?
fruit diet.
Oh yeah, the no fat diet.
The no fat
The
diet.
all fat diet.
That stuff ruined me. Like, it ruined my life. It ruined my body. It made me sick. It made me vomit. It gave me constipation. It gave me metabolism issues. It gave me headaches. It gave me really bad nights of sleep. And you know what, guys? After doing all that crap, I found the cure to all the problems.
And you know what? We just realized also that diets don't work because it's like this short moment in time. And it's like, oh, as soon as the agony stops, I can be free. And it's like, no, actually, no, that's wrong. And I'm telling you that after 30 plus years of dieting.
So why do all the women who join our program leave and actually succeed? They join our program, they lose the weight forever, they never gain it back, and they inspire their families and friends around them to lose the weight too. Why is it like that? You know what? It's because we don't believe in diets. Everyone who joins our program is in a different place, have different dietary needs.
Some are vegetarian.
Some have PCOS, some have perimenopause.
Some are diabetic. Some are elder.
Whatever.
Some are younger. Some are
carb counting.
breastfeeding. Some are,
Some are carnivore, some are omnivore. It doesn't matter.
Right.
You know why it doesn't matter? Because we teach you guys the 5-part framework of how to lose weight once and for all and forever. That's something we teach. We teach you the lifestyle. We teach you how to cook amazing, delicious food, which is what I had to do on my journey to losing 160 pounds with no loose skin. I did it by making my Burger King order at home. I love Burger King, but I had to make it at home without the nitrate crappy foods, without the non-organic meat, without the bun that gives me inflammation and acne up to my hair.
And if you think that what you're eating doesn't have any impact on your health and lifestyle and brain, you're wrong. Like herbicides, fungicides, pesticides, and non-organic food are dangerous. Genetically modified foods are dangerous. And if you think that eating out all the time is a great idea, you're wrong because it doesn't work. And we're here to tell you that we stopped dieting and we started eating real food, whole foods. And I know it's a really naughty word for people who have like binge and purge eating disorders. Moderation, I know.
But guess what? You know
And
what, Mom?
consistency. The two like naughtiest words. But you know what? We take you step by step.
And you know what, guys? You're not going to like this, or maybe you will. The key to learning moderation for all my binge eaters who don't even know what that means anymore is getting rid of flour and sugar, because you cannot moderate those things. They are addictive substances. Nobody's moderating cocaine or heroin or methamphetamines or anything like that. You know why? Because you don't do that. Sugar is more addictive than cocaine. Check out the stats. Check out the lab rats. Check out the rats who literally can't live without it. Come on. The research is out. Go do your own research, number one. And number two, when you follow the science and you do the research and you eliminate it from your diet, you no longer crave it. You no longer feel out of control and you're not binging on that crap anymore.
So if you think that Ozempic is your only solution to ending food noise, we're here to tell you that's not true, and you can get GLP-like results by joining our 30-day challenge. You'll lose 8 to 10 pounds in a month. And if you're not really willing to do that commitment, we have a really special gift for you. In this holiday season, you could be free from sugar. Now, you better start soon because Thanksgiving is next week. And you're going to want to get rid of that sugar either before Thanksgiving and or after. So 7 days, you can be having a gut reset and a sugar detox. I don't recommend doing it on Thanksgiving Day, right? So you want to start either before or after, but it does take some prep, like mentally, emotionally, spiritually. And we guide you through it for free. Isn't that a great thing that we did? I think it's great. I really hope you participate. And you know what we do as well is we cook a lot because we think the journey towards health and vitality vitality, back to the person you were born to be, is all about deliciousness, abundance, and true health. We're honest with ourselves, and you have to be honest with yourself. If you're not cooking at home, 80% or more of your food is not being made in your kitchen, we got a problem. And I'm here to tell you firsthand, listen, we live in like the healthiest place. We can get the healthiest food in the place that I live. I'm still not going out because guess what? They're using crap. And it's not their fault. They have a bottom line, right? And I want your bottom line, which is your health, to be in opposition with their bottom line. So learn how to cook. We have a Substack that we created and we give you all these amazing recipes. So please subscribe to our Substack. Head on over there for some deliciousness and nutritiousness.
Don't forget to follow us on all of our social medias, X, TikTok, and Instagram. Don't forget to like this video, comment something you learned down below, and share this with someone that you love.
Hey, and we also created the Tight Club. I think you're going to love it. If you just want like tight lifted skin, learn all of our tips, tricks, and secrets. The link is in the description below.